Hi, how's it going guys? Welcome back to Kitchen Aid. Today I'm going to show you how to make classic French dessert Creme Brûlée. I got a few requests from my friend, this is one of them. There are so many recipes of Creme Brûlée and different ways to make. My recipe is from this book, William Sonoma French. This is the first one I bought to learn French cooking and Western cuisine. This is a recipe. I got this 7-8 years ago and I studied a lot with this book. Steak, how to grill steak, this is a note everywhere. I used to work Japanese restaurant, so I had no idea about French Western cooking. Creme Brûlée is very simple. If you get it, it's easy to make. Just rich cream on the bottom and burnt sugar on top. The key is the sweetness from rich cream and bitterness from burnt sugar on top. It's easy, simple, and tasty. Let's get started. I tell you a few tips to make. First one, make sure whip the egg and sugar to get white, then custard get more creamy. Second one is cool the cream off before pour into egg. If it's too hot, egg gets cooked and curdled. Last thing, water has to be hot. If the water is too cold, it takes way too long to get custard cooked. You have to make few times to get cooked right, but once you get it, you can play around with creme brulee. For instance, you can add maple syrup instead of sugar, or you can add matcha powder to make matcha creme brulee. I used to make matcha creme brulee at a Japanese restaurant. Thank you very much for watching this video. This channel is mainly for Japanese people who is living in other countries or who went back to Japan, and people sometimes miss Western food like chicken wings and other stuff. But eventually I show you how to make Japanese food, most likely Yoshoku style, and some Western food with home cooking style in English as well. Again, thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay positive. Have a good weekend. Bye bye. Peace.